Hello YouTube and welcome to another AI tutorial. So today we'll be talking about the story of AI agents, so are you ready? Let's get started. What if your computer didn't just answer questions, but actually did things for you? Welcome to the story of AI agents. In the next few minutes, we're going from zero to understanding how autonomous AI agents think, plan, and act on your behalf. No PhD required, just curiosity. Let's dive in. So, what exactly is an AI agent? Think of it like this. ChatGPT waits for your next message. It responds, then stops. But an AI agent, it runs in a continuous loop. It takes action, observes what happens, and decides what to do next, all on its own. You give it a goal, like research the top marketing tools and write a report, and the agent breaks that into steps, searches the web, compares options, and delivers a complete report. No hand-holding required. Unlike a chatbot, an agent is goal-driven. It uses tools, browsing, coding, emailing, querying API, and it remembers what it learned, improving over time. Traditional software follows a fixed path. Step A, then step B, then step C, predictable but rigid. An AI agent decides its next step dynamically. It loops until the job is done. Every AI agent follows the same fundamental cycle. We call it the agent loop. Stage 1, perceive. The agent receives your goal and gathers information from its environment, reading files, browsing the web, checking API. Stage 2, reason. Using its LLM brain, the agent thinks step by step. It breaks your goal into smaller tasks and decides the best approach. Stage 3, plan. It creates a step-by-step strategy. First search for tools, then compare features, then write the report. Stage 4, act. The agent executes, calling tools, running code, sending requests, generating content. Stage 5, observe and learn. It checks the results. Did it work? Should it try again? It updates its memory and either loops back to stage 1 or finishes. This cycle repeats over and over until the goal is achieved. That's the heartbeat of every AI agent. An AI agent is made of just 3 core parts. Master these, and every agent framework becomes simple. Part 1, the brain, the LLM. This is the reasoning engine. GPT-4, Claude Gemini. It understands your goal, plans steps, and decides what to do next. Without this, the agent is just a script. Part 2, tools. These are the agent's hands. Web search, email, Python execution, database queries. The agent picks the right tool for each step. Part 3, the loop. A simple while loop, get task, think, act, observe, repeat. It runs until the goal is met or a maximum step limit is reached. And hidden inside that loop is memory, where the agent stores what it learned so it doesn't start from scratch every time. That's it. Brain, tools, loop, everything else is just optimization. Not all agents are created equal. Here's the spectrum. Reactive agents, simple and fast. They respond to inputs immediately with no memory or planning, like a weather bot that tells you today's forecast when asked. Deliberative agents, smart planners. They think ahead, maintain a model of the world, and consider consequences before acting. Audhugt is a classic example. It researches a topic, writes a blog, and posts it automatically. Learning agents, self-improving. They adapt from feedback. AlphaGo learned to master Go by playing millions of games against itself. Multi-agent systems, team workers. Multiple specialized agents collaborate in parallel. One researches, another writes, a third fact-checks. Crui and Microsoft's AutoGen make this possible. The type you choose depends on the complexity of the task. Let's see how agents are already changing work today. Email Assistant Agent. It monitors your inbox, drafts replies, schedules meetings, and learns your writing style over time. Research Agent. Give it a topic like AI in Healthcare 2026. It searches sources, extracts findings, identifies trends, and generates a cited report in minutes, not days. Coding Agent. Tools like Devin and Claude Code take a task like build a login page with OAuth, plan the architecture, write the code, run tests, fix bugs, and deploy, all autonomously. Content Creation Agent. It plans calendars, writes posts, generates images, schedules social media, and analyzes engagement, running 24/7. One agent, many tasks, working around the clock. Ready to build your own? Here's the roadmap. Step 1. Start with no-code tools. Zapier, Vellum, or ChatGPT with browsing let you build agents without writing a single line of code. Step 2. Learn Python basics. You can build a simple agent in about 60 lines using the OpenAI or Anthropic API. It's easier than you think. Step 3. Add tools and memory. Connect search, email, and databases. Give your agent continuity across conversations. Step 4. Explore frameworks. LangChain, Crui, or Google's Agent Development Kit provide pre-built components for complex systems. Step 5. Build multi-agent teams. Create specialized agents that collaborate, researcher, writer, editor, and publisher, producing content automatically. Remember the agent formula. AI agent equals LLM brain plus tools plus loop. Master these 3 primitives and every framework becomes simple. Start with a 60-line Python script. The rest is just optimization. The best way to learn is by doing. Start simple, experiment freely, and watch your agent come to life. The future belongs to those who can delegate to AI. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.